Today's tech tip is on one of my favorite Google Chrome extensions, and it is the Color Picker extension. So to install this extension, all you need to do is do a Google search for Color Picker Eyedropper extension, and it will appear up here as this little colored wheel. So one example of when I might want to use this, I have a Bitmoji that I have pulled in and it's got the TBT hashtag, but I want to put something else on my sign. Maybe I want it to say PLD. So, but when I put a text box on there, that text box is transparent. If I were to change the background of the text box to white, and even, that's going to still be a little bit obvious that it's not the same color as the background. So what I can do to get that covered up, or to make it look like it's not a box on top, is I can go over here to my color picker, and when I click on it, it comes up with this. Now as I move over, you see what happens. It's giving me that color, or I could choose the gray in my hair, or what I want to do is get right here in the middle. This is a gradient, so if I choose up here, it's going to be lighter. If I choose down here, it's going to be darker. I'm only going to be able to choose one color, so I'm going to click right here in the middle. And there it is. It gives me the hexadecimal code for that color. So I'm going to Control-C to copy it and close my color picker. And then I've got the box selected. I'm going to go up here to my paint can, and instead of trying to eyeball it and pick the right one, I go to Custom, and then right here I can put that hex code in. When I paste it in, it gives me the automatic color. I say OK, and there we go. And so now I can stretch this box out to cover up the other text that was there. I can then resize my text, make it a different font. I'm going to give it Spicy Rice. I'm going to make it, I don't know, however big. And then I'm going to center the text. And once I click off of it, now you notice you can still see a faint box. And that's because the box behind it is a gradient. So it's a little lighter up here, a little darker down there. It's not going to be perfect, but at least it's better than it was before, or it's better than having a white box. Another way I might want to use that is I've got an STLP logo here. It's got a white outline and it's on a transparent background, but let's say that I wanted to put a box behind it. And I wanted to make it maybe a red box. I'm going to go back and arrange it and say send that to the back. Maybe I want it to be this color red, so I'm going to go up here to my color picker, and then I'm going to come down and I'm going to say that color red. What is that? Copy that hex code, select my box, go up here, and again to Custom, paste that hex code in, say OK, and there it is. And then I can make the line around the box transparent. So there, it's the perfect match for that L. Now I've been doing these two in Google Drawings, but it works in Google Slides as well. Let's say that I have the add-on. Another one of my favorites is the Insert Icons add-on for slides, Insert Icons for Slides. So when I come over here, it pulls up all these different icons that I can use and search for. Let's say that I want the icons to be this purple, or this, not purple, this teal color. So I'm going to again get my eyedropper, come over here, click there, copy that code, and then on the, and close it. And then on the Insert Icons, I can paste that code in there and then search for, let's say, bicycle. There it is. Once I choose it, it adds it onto the slide, and then I can do with that whatever I want. So that's another way to use that color picker, is with Insert Icons. It's a really quick and easy way to make sure that things match up without having to just eyeball it and get close but not quite there. Hope you found this useful, and let me know how you put it to use in your classroom.